Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious funnel cake fries. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, including flour, sugar, and milk. Then, we'll mix them into a smooth batter, ensuring there are no lumps. Finally, we'll heat our oil to the perfect temperature, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for frying these tasty treats. Once your batter is ready and the oil is hot, carefully pour the batter into a piping bag. Using a small tip, squeeze thin lines of batter directly into the hot oil, forming your fries. Fry them until they are a beautiful golden brown on one side, then gently flip them over to ensure even cooking. This step is crucial for that perfect crispy texture. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine listening to your favorite tunes while making these delicious fries. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After frying, use a slotted spoon to carefully remove the golden brown funnel cake fries from the hot oil. Transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil, which helps keep them crispy. While the fries are still warm, generously dust them with powdered sugar. This adds that classic sweet finish we all love. For the best experience, serve your funnel cake fries immediately while they are still warm and fresh. You can elevate them further by offering a variety of dipping sauces, such as rich chocolate or gooey caramel. For an extra special touch, consider garnishing them with fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy these delightful treats.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.